Hello students, welcome back to your computer science class. Now today we've completed all the chapters that are coming for the examination, and from today we will not be doing revision, but we will be doing lots and lots of programs to get the correct practice and hang of Python completely up to now. So over here I have made one more module. This time the name of my module is shape area module, and I have made four functions here: area of circle, area of rectangle, area of square, and area of triangle. And I am calculating the areas and returning the answers. So these functions, they have a parameter and they have a return type. Okay, they are returning values. Now, I have one more program. This is my menu driven program, okay, that I had told you all about to do. So this is the menu driven program, and over here I have imported the module saying import shape area. When I'm writing while true, that means this will become an infinite loop if I don't change it to false anywhere, which I am not, but still this program will run. And the reason I want you to really learn this program today is because this is using so many things that we have learned, especially recently. All right. Number one, functions. Number two, loop. Number three, break. So we're going to learn all these things. Now, while true, that means we're getting into a loop and this loop is going to run till I explicitly come out of the loop. Because while true means I'm never making it false. All right, because it is forever going to be true. All right. So how I'm coming out of it, I'm going to show it to you very, very soon. But let's understand, because this is a fantastic way of doing things, and you all can learn the advantage of this. So while true, I'm saying print, and I'm putting this statement which says select shape, 1 for circle, 2 for square, 3 for rectangle, 4 for triangle. Since I already know that I'm running this program for area, I have not mentioned it, but you can always mention it. Select the area of shape that you want to calculate. Then I'm taking an input, and in the input, I'm mentioning to my user that you enter a choice or you type 0 to exit. All right. So my user has an option from 0 to 4 to press any number. Then I'm taking my if loop and I'm checking what is the input my user has given me. So if the input is 1, I am saying enter the radius of the circle, because number 1 is circle. So I'm taking radius from my user in the variable called radius, and I'm saving the output in the word answer, and I'm saying answer equals to shape underscore area, that's the name of my module, dot area underscore circle, that's the name of my uh, function right here, and I'm passing the argument over here, radius, that I'm taking from the user. But remember, when this goes back here to my second file, it is going to be converted to R. It will be converted, it will be 3.14.R to R. It will come back, and then it will, the answer will be saved in the word ANS, and then I'm going to print it. Same thing I'm doing, side of the square. If the user is selecting number 2, which is square, I'm taking the side of the square. If the user is selecting rectangle, I'm taking the length and breadth of the rectangle. If he's selecting triangle, I'm taking the height and breadth. Last, I'm saying if equals to 0. If it is true, if the choice entered by the user is 0, I'm saying break. So he is going to break out of the loop. And also, I am saying if it's not 0, it's not 4, it's not 3, it's not 2, it's not 1, then I'm saying invalid option. Okay, is this much clear? Now let's run this program. So I got select shape, I have to select it. Let's say I select number 2. So this thing enter the side of the square, so I'll say 6. I got my answer 36, and I get another set. Again, it is running in that loop. Suppose I say 3, enter length 8, enter breadth 4, 32. Again, it is telling me, select. So I will say 4, enter the height of the triangle 7, enter the breadth 3, 21, And again, it is there's something wrong here. I know the answer is not correct. But now this is related to the what do you say? The logic, the function, the code in the function is incorrect. I will repair that. But again, it will keep telling me. So if I want to get out of this, I have to press 0. Such a wonderful way of having an exit control loop where the user decides when does he want to exit. Okay, so I have fixed a little bit. So let's see the height of triangle again. Okay, so I'm just going to close this and we're going to run it again. 4 for triangle, and the height of the triangle is 7. Again, I got 21. I think it's good. Yeah. In triangle, I have written it was going only to the rectangle. There. Is this good? Is this good? Okay. Okay. So like you can see, this becomes an exit loop where the user decides when he wants to stop running the program, and the program keeps running again and again and again. So this is a classic way to do a program where the user decides the exit. It's a menu-driven program, so user will decide what he wants to do. Also in this program, you all saw the use of the while loop in a different method. You all saw the module which you all saw the module that we imported, and also all these functions are not defined in this particular program. They are defined in the module program. That means those functions can now be used in any program in the future. One another thing, when I'm using a function from a module, I need to use the module name and a dot. Like you can see over here, shape underscore area dot. And then I have written area underscore circle. So this dot over here tells the computer, tells the Python interpreter that this particular function does not reside in this particular program, but it resides in the module shape underscore area. So I now give you a challenge that you're going to replicate this entire thing. That means you're going to copy this entire style, and you are going to do a program where you will read 2 numbers from the user, and you will let the user decide whether he wants to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, or exponential. Modulus is remainder, exponential is raised to. If you ask raised to, you will also ask the user up till where. So you will take 2 numbers from the user. Let's say you take the numbers 2 and 4. So in the raised to, it will be 2 raised to 4. Okay. So I want you to make a module for that, arithmetic operations. And then I want you to import that module here. And then you will take 2 numbers from the user. And I'm not going to show you the program for this. This you are going to do on your own. I have shown you this program, which was a menu-driven program. And I had asked you to do this in the last video. And I had also told you all, I had not asked you all to use module or while loop or break. But now I am using all that and teaching you. So you can check your program code that you have written using the module, using this module things. These are your code that you should have inside your if else. All right. So with this, I have given you all one program to practice. And now you will also do one more program where you will take a alphabet, any alphabet from the user, and you will reply that is it a consonant or it is a vowel. So 2 programs to practice. One is a module program and a menu-driven program in which you are doing arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, remainder, and exponential, all 6. And another one is a small program like we had odd even. Similar to that, in alphabets, you are supposed to find out where whatever character the user has entered, whether that character is a vowel or it's a consonant. All right. So with these two programs to practice, I'm going to end today's class. Next class, I will show you the program of the consonant and vowel, and then we will continue with a few more programs. With that, I end today's class. Stay home, stay safe, take care, keep learning. Thank you.